Let's discuss about the series and alternating infinite series. So what are the series? Actually, a series is the let's discuss about the alternating series. When there are many terms and there is a plus sign between plus or minus sign between the terms, then that is alternating series. For example, it can be also written as alternating series. Actually, the alternating series gives us alternating or different terms. Uh, for example, if an is greater than 0, then for each n, then series for summation from n from 1 to infinity minus 1 power n plus 1, an is called an alternating series. Why it is called alternating series? Because you know that if in that a term we put n is equal to 1, then this will be minus 1 power n plus 1 is the actually the series. If we put n is equal to 1, then we will get minus 1 power 2 and answer will be plus 1. And if we put n is equal to 2, then the power will be odd and answer will be negative. So we are getting different answers, we are getting alternating answers, and the signs are different. So this is called alternating series. Is its other definition is like that, um, a series whose terms are alternatively alternatively positive and negative. So whose terms are alternatively positive and negative is called alternating series, is called alternating series. Okay, this is called alternating series. So now let's discuss about the other series that will be different from it. So let's discuss about the infinite series. So the series whose terms are infinite is called infinite series. For example, we can say that, um, let infinite series let an be given sequence of real numbers and form a new sequence like that Sn, and Sn equal to a1 plus a2 plus a3 so on an. This can also be written as summation n from 1 to n, 1 to infinity, so on dot 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 1 to infinity a. So it is called the basically it is basically called the infinite series, because we can put n is equal to 1, then this will be a1. We can put n is equal to 2, then this will be a2. We can put the values till infinity and we will keep getting the terms. So this is called the infinite series. And So Sn is actually called the Sn is called partial sum. So this is the sum of terms. So this is called the partial sum of series. And it should be noted that series is said to be convergent or divergent according to the partial sum. Note, it should be noted that series is convergent or divergent according to partial sum. So series is convergent or divergent according to the partial sum. So if the that partials are mid convergent, then if Sn is convergent, then the series is convergent. If the Sn is divergent, then the series is divergent. So this is called basically called the partial sum. And we will see today that how the partial sum can be found and how it acts like to find the partial sum and how it is defined. Let's define some other terms, some other different concepts. Let's define it. Here sometimes we denote the nth term of the sequence like un. Okay, for some theorem can be like that, and it can include un. So it should be noted that if S1